Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Join me in discovering amazing experiments. Hello guys, for this experiment you will need an empty plastic bottle, baking soda, a balloon and vinegar. Pour a good amount of vinegar into the bottle. Pour some baking soda into the balloon. Put the balloon into the bottle's mouth and flip it over. Watch the balloon, guys. For this experiment, you'll need a balloon and drawing pins. Children, don't do this without an adult. The balloon will not pop because there is an even pressure. For this experiment, you will need a raw egg, an empty glass, and vinegar. Put the raw egg into this glass and leave it for 24 hours. This is what it looks like after 24 hours. Remove the egg from the vinegar and start peeling it off. Now you have a bouncy egg. And now your egg will even glow in the dark. Wow! Show you this is a raw egg. Wow. You see the membrane of the egg? If you're bored, you can try some experiments. They're really fun. I hope you liked this video. Remember to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. With just one thumbtack, the balloon will pop.